My name is Mike. Welcome to my video. I just pulled together some information for the most common adult size mini bikes. I did it for a YouTube video, but I figure I'll put it as a Facebook reel as well. Maybe it'll help somebody out. I found it best to view this spreadsheet sideways if you're on a phone, landscape. I did it as an Excel spreadsheet and I shared it publicly on Google Sheets. So it is out there on the interweb. But I will post a link on my YouTube channel. Please click over there, hit the like button, and maybe subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to increase my subscribership. I have 12 subscribers. I'm going to try and get to 20. Click around here. So basically, I have all the specs in the spreadsheet. You can download the spreadsheet. It's on Google Sheets. I have pictures, prices. We have about 8 models to choose from. And if you have any comments or anything to add, just let me know in the comments. And I'll keep this spreadsheet updated as much as possible. Thank you.